It's time for another gardening update. Yeah, look how beautiful and big my oregano plant has gotten. I love it. My herbs are growing so beautifully, and I got some other herbs that are growing also, but I am really digging this. I'm about to harvest some of this oregano and put in my ground beef. And also I got a sunflower plant growing right there. Sunflowers. And here are some pepper seeds that I planted. And the basil is coming back, but I'm waiting on these pepper seeds. Let me see. Share with y'all my new herb plants. Right here, I forget, marjoram, lemon balm, something. And this over here, they're growing. It's a bunch of them. A bunch of new herb plants. Loving it. Look at the yellow nasturtiums, bell peppers on the bell pepper plant. I gotta get over here and make it where I can walk down the aisle. Okay. Yep. I can't wait to see my sunflower though. See what it's gonna do. Okay, thank you guys. Here is some of the oregano that I harvest on my balcony garden. It's beautiful. I can smell it a little, but I can smell it because it's strong scent. Fresh harvest oregano. Loving it. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.